Hello students, welcome to the another session. Now basically this session is common for both animation and VFX students. In 3ds Max we have seen how to create basic lights, standard lights or photometric lights. Similarly in Nuke software as well we can create lights for lighting various objects. When you export or import a 3D object into Nuke we can create the light nodes. Now before proceeding for creating lighting in any of the scene, for example in 3ds Max, in the next lecture we will see how to light up an object or a product or how to do a product lighting. Whereas in Nuke, for VFX students, we will be seeing how to light up a particular imported object. Now before going for that, first we need to understand the concept of 3-point lighting. That is a very basic and fundamental concept. Now 3-point lighting doesn't necessarily means 3 lights. Basically it is 3 types of lights. In this image you can see a basic setup of 3-point lighting. Primarily we are concerned about 3 types of lights. Those are one is key light, another is backlight, and third is fill light. Now we will see what is key light. Key light is the main light in which we see the object. It is the main source of light. Now if you see in this image, if this is the subject and this is camera, we are looking from the side view. This is the camera and the target. The key light should be little higher, say 15 to 45 degrees higher. And if you are looking from the top view, it should be like on the left side or right side 15 to 45 degrees. That should be the position of key light. Key light is the main light in which we see the object. The second light, that is backlight. Backlight is also called as rim light. It is mainly used to separate the subject from the surrounding or the background. In this particular image, you can see this is key light. If we are the camera, then the source is on the right side of us, 15 to 45 degrees and slightly upwards. The light is coming from this direction. So this is the key light. And rim light is the backlight. This is backlight. Basically it is used to separate the subject from the background. In this particular image you can see key light as well as rim light or backlight. So the separation is a distinct one. Now the last light, that is fill light. Fill light is basically used to reduce the influence of shadow. In this particular image, if you see at this particular part, we have a very dark shadow. To nullify that or to neutralize it, we use fill lights. This is the third type. So it can be adjusted as per the requirement. Usually, now in case of say studio light, we have a spotlight or directional light as the key light. Backlight can be a reflector. Even in 3ds Max, when we use the indirect lighting calculations like final gather or global illumination, basically the surrounding surface acts as the backlight or the reflected light. Now for fill light, we can have a separate source. In this image, we have put a very slight fill light at the bottom which light up the subject. So this is key light only. This is key light with backlight or rim light, and this is with key light, backlight and fill light. All 3 lights at the same time.